This is J. Lifestyle, back with another unboxing slash review. I'm bringing the Nike Air Max 1 anniversary. These were released on Saturday, and I got these yesterday. And yesterday was Tuesday. The box, something different. It looks dope. What more you can ask? Nike Air Max. Sorry, got it wrong. Nike Air. What's that? Joff anniversary. Sorry, got it wrong again. What's that? Froth? I don't know what to pronounce. Nike Air 3 OTH anniversary. Yeah. So, in the box, it says Air Max 1 anniversary. On the March 26, 1987, something more than a shoe was born. La 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 la. And as you're watching it, or if you got it in hand already, you already know what it is. It was created in 1987, and I think it's the 30 years anniversary of Air Max 1. Air Max 1 is not my favorite. It looks decent, but it's not my favorite. So on the wrapping, you see there's Nike wrapping on it. Beautiful. And yeah, time to unbox these. So, as you see it, got the Nike Air Max, got a little tag, you can stick on your key ring, got white laces to go with it. I heard people saying that they don't like the shape. Shape's different from the original. Hey, I got one advice to say: take it or leave it. If you got direct connections to Nike, then you can have it shaped like the old days when it first came out. I think they came out, yeah. But I know you have different colorways of these. You had the was it the ones from last year, the Ultras version of these. But yeah. So you got Air Max on there. They could have put on there Nike Air Max anniversary to make it stand out, be different. What's these? Is that a fly net? I'm not a sneaker expert. The quality is dope. I like the suede. It's all smooth. The white material parts are all shiny, everything. As you can see, air bubble on the sides. Nike Air Max. They should have did the all red pair. That would have been pretty interesting. Front review. Stitching. Stitching is alright.
don't know. If you look on my left, stitching's straight. Look on my right, stitching's like going like around and straight. Hey man. Other than that, I think everything's on point, if I'm honest with you. So you got the Nike Air on the back as well. Decent. White and black sole, red at the top. Got Nike Air in the sock. Decent. I think these are dope, even though I'm not a biggest fan of Nike Air Max 1. I like colour, my favourite colour is red. And obviously I noticed that there's bits on the air bubble as well. Probably glue stains. Pretty decent. Red, bit of white, bit of grey. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe they should put that colorway on an Air Max 90 or Air Max 95 and see how that works out to be. You know? I like it. I like everything about it. I'm not the biggest fan of Air Max 1s, like I keep saying, but let me know what's your opinion about it. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Have you gave it a miss? Plain white laces. You got the what's that? Shiny white laces. You tell me, are they the same as the OG pairs? One more thing I didn't do. You got quality and control sticker. I ain't seen that in a little while. You see on my other unboxing, they're normally a stamp and like a little sticker. I don't know if that's only for Jordans only. Oh yeah. Do you think these will hit Nike outlets or Nike factory stores? I went to the one in Oxford Street. Didn't see any steals in there. Sorry, not Oxford Street. King's Cross. I went there. No steals. Bought a couple of t-shirts. But if anything you would like to see, let me know. I'm not too sure what I'll be doing with these trainers. But if I'm gonna be sending them back or keeping these, I'll put them on and see how it goes. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification button next to the subscribe button. More reviews coming. More reviews, garden food reviews, tech reviews, more coming. Just hit that subscribe button. It'd be doing me a favor, much appreciated. And tell your friends about my channel. Big things are coming soon. Have a blessed day.